This summer, I'm rooting for Mexico, so let's make the perfect game day meal. This is my Mexican-inspired lime chili shrimp stir fry, and this is world-class flavor. All right, let's get into it. Got about a pound of shrimp here. We're gonna season with some onion powder, paprika, salt, and garlic powder. Give it a good mix, and from there, we're gonna go ahead and saute it just for about 2 minutes on each side until it's fully cooked. Once it's done, go ahead and remove it from the pan. Next, we're gonna take our baby bok choy, cut it in half, then we're going to saute it just for about 5 minutes until we get a nice crust, just like this. I'm using Maruchan's Lime Chili Shrimp from Instacart to make a Mexican-inspired game day bowl. One thing I love about Maruchan is that there's truly a flavor for every fan. Whether you're cheering for a fan favorite or rooting for an underdog, Maruchan makes it easy to bring global flavors to your table. Finally, add your flavor packets and mix thoroughly. For more match day recipes, be sure to shop Maruchan and comment below and let me know what team you're rooting for.